This video I'm going to show you how to log into your Home Depot credit card account. If you also have the credit card of Home Depot and if you're trying to log into your account, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end. The credit card of Home Depot is issued by Citibank. So to log into your credit card account, you will also do it from the website of Citibank. Search for Home Depot credit card login and you can see the first result, which is from the website of Citibank. So you can just click on this link and it's going to take you to the sign in page. Now in the first box, type in the user ID that you created while signing up, and in the second box, type in the password. If you don't remember either your user ID or your password that you created, you can click on retrieve user ID or retrieve password and follow further steps to recover either of these information. If you want this device to remember your user ID, the next time you log in, you can check this box. But avoid doing this step if you're not using your personal device. And through this section, you can also activate your card of Home Depot by clicking on register your card. After you fill in both of these information, click on sign on and you'll be successfully signed in to your Home Depot credit card account. So I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials that we post.